Yes, and start. In the exercise of the extraordinary power under Article 226 or the inherent powers under Section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, the following categories of cases are given by way of illustration wherein such power could be exercised either to prevent abuse of the process of any court or otherwise to secure the ends of justice, though it may not be possible to lay down any precise, clearly defined, and sufficiently channelized and inflexible kinds of cases wherein such power should be exercised within bracket A, where the allegations made in the first information report or the complaint, even if they are taken at their face value and accepted in their entirety, do not prima facie constitute any offense or make out a case against the accused bracket B, where the allegations in the first information report and other materials, if any, accompanying the FIR do not disclose a cognizable offense justifying an investigation by police officers under section 156 bracket 1 of the code, except under an order of a magistrate within the purview of section 155 bracket 2 of the code bracket C, where the uncontroverted allegations made in the FIR or complaint and the evidence collected in support of the same do not disclose the commission of any offense and make out a case against the accused bracket D, where the allegations in the FIR do not constitute a cognizable offense but constitute only a non-cognizable offense. No investigation is permitted by a police officer without an order of a magistrate as contemplated under section 155 bracket 2 of the code bracket E, where the allegations made in the FIR or complaint are so absurd and inherently improbable on the basis of which no prudent person can ever reach a just conclusion that there is sufficient ground for proceeding against the accused bracket F, where there is an express legal bar engrafted in any of the provisions of the code or the concerned act bracket under which a criminal proceeding is instituted bracket close to the institution and continuance of the proceedings and oblique or where there is a specific provision in the code or the concerned act providing efficacious redress for the grievance of the aggrieved party bracket G, where a criminal proceeding is manifestly attended with malified and oblique or where the proceeding is maliciously instituted with a ulterior motive for wreaking vengeance on the accused and with a view to spite him due to private and personal grudge para. In the instant case, the allegations made in the complaint do clearly constitute a cognizable offense, and this case does not call for the exercise of extraordinary or inherent powers of the High Court to quash the FIR itself. Stop.